As a nephrologist leading the Würzburg clinic in Germany, I was very pleased to be invited to chair the early 2020 live conference or congress, which continued then through 2021 and now 2023 with the Nephrology Campus. So pleased to help and support, because the campus is frequently used today. Many thousand people look at the educational material. So the entire thing is purely educational. There are so many elements, meanwhile, on the campus, which are interviews, which are webinars, short, you can say Netflix type. It is a modern, populated platform, and this makes it so useful to look at. A lot of the material is translated in 5 languages, that people can listen and understand the content in their own language. Not everybody is familiar with every English term, so that's very helpful, and the ERA is also going in the same direction. The highlight, the educational and scientific highlight, are the 2 late-breaking clinical trial sessions, where randomized control trials are presented. This is the meat of all the educational sessions, and we are very enthusiastic, the best sessions ever. And there were new content about phase 2b trials of new medications, such as anticoagulation or new medication halting progression of kidney disease. There is a study about exercise on dialysis, which is positive. And finally, and after so many years, we have positive results of the CONVINCE study comparing hemodiafiltration with hemodialysis. High flux hemodialysis. So the trials are positive. We had a huge audience of 2,000 people sitting looking at this data. We heard applause, and this transported an extremely well feeling about the most successful congress we had in nephrology ever in the ERA over the last many years.